Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's supposed to be showery today in Chicago, and there's a chance of rain tomorrow and maybe again later this week and over the weekend for Mother's Day. So about 90 to 95% of the U.S. Midwest could see rain this week. Over the weekend, mostly clear, so there should have been a lot of corn planting done before this rain moves across the Midwest. Price-wise, beans are up a little bit. Corn's down a little bit, wheat's down a little bit. Outside markets, you've got the U.S. stocks, U.S. dollar, and crude oil all higher. As far as individual markets are concerned, over in the beans, a little bit of buying on some Asian interest underneath the marketplace, and also just a little bit of uncertainty of where this Argentina strike is going to go. The government and the workers are supposed to negotiate some kind of settlement today, so the market's going to be kind of watching that. Obviously, the weather across the Midwest is weighing on the corn market, and the wheat market not only is seeing better hard red runner wheat conditions because of the rains, but also you're seeing lower European wheat prices, and most of that is because of the talk that Russia may eliminate its export tax and offer wheat for export at lower prices. Inspections today, we're expecting beans at 6 million bushels, corn at 33 million bushels, and wheat at 16 million bushels. We have new limits here at the Board of Trade, with corn at 30 cents, wheat at 40 cents, and they dropped the soybean oil to 2 cents. It'll be a private estimate tomorrow on the winter wheat crop this year, and also some world numbers. And this week the Kansas Wheat Tour is out there looking at the wheat in Kansas under wet conditions and kind of come up with an average number. And usually, historically, whatever the crop tour says, eventually the USDA tends to agree with that number. And most expectations is that the Kansas wheat crop is better than last year's dry, weather restricted production. Other than that, we're looking down the road, USDA May 12th report, and see what they say about next year's U.S. and world S&Ds. And also we're looking at some of the technical signals, corn, beans, and wheat, that suggest the trend in prices is mostly lower unless there's a change in the weather here in the U.S. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
I was thinking if it